Here we are at Strathroy Antique Mall, and here is a Royal Bayreuth tray. It's got a beautiful picture of men fly fishing in a boat, birch trees, lovely colors, trees in the background, water. The man to the left is hooking up the fly fishing, and the man to the right.
Can you bring me a measuring tape,
looks like
please?
He has a hanky or a drink in his hand. It's got nice outer edges and scrolls. There is no cracks or chips. Condition is as shown. And I had a phone call asking to put some pieces online from Strathroy Antique Mall.
Can you measure that?
So I am. And this one's for sale for $200. If you're interested, we can ship out
the other way
for a fee. And it can be paid by money
and then up and down
transfer. These are the measurements that he's showing. If you're interested, call 519-518-2424 or email Belinda at strathroyantiquemall.com with inquiring about shipping prices. And payments can be Western Union. As soon as we receive it, we'll pack it in bubbles and peanuts very well, and we'll send it out. So this piece is $200. It is October 31st. It is available. When it's sold, I'll write underneath the YouTube video that this piece has been sold. So I'm going to try this with a couple pieces. So I hope you enjoy. If there's certain items you want to see, I can check. This is a 21,000 square foot antique mall and see what we have. There's many different vendors in here. So it's a possibility we do have it, and we also got a want list for vendors to go find pieces. So if there's hard to find pieces, just jot it down or email us, and we'll put that on our want list and send it to the dealers. It is 2017. This is a beautiful piece. It's marked, it's authentic. It's got some wear to the paint as shown. The condition is the video with the paint. These pieces are getting harder to find over the years. If you're thinking of visiting, we are located in Strathroy, Ontario, Canada. We're open pretty well 7 days a week, except Christmas and New Year's. If you're unsure, just give us a call again. My camera's not focusing in real well, but it's a beautiful scene. So remember to call 519-518-2424 or email Belinda at strathroyantiquemall.com. It's a longer video so you can see every side, every angle. This was just brought in the last month. These kind of pieces don't actually last that long. Thank you and enjoy.